Hi, my name is Mallory Green. I am from Holly Springs, North Carolina, which is about 20 minutes outside of Raleigh. I am currently a junior here at Abbs studying nutrition with a concentration in dietetics. After I graduate, I plan to attend a dietetic internship to become an RD and then go to grad school to get a master's and a PhD in nutrition. If that plan does not work out, I plan to get more work experience and internships and then reapply for the dietetic internship. Something that I hope to learn in this class is the whole process of how to plan and design a restaurant. I think that would be really cool to open a restaurant one day. Something unique about me is that I am a women's small group leader for freshmen here at App State, which means I get to help guide these young women into life and through college. And I can't wait to hear all of your introductions.